Hello guys, Edwin here, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to participate in the MegaDrop from Solv protocol. Okay, so Solv protocol launched a MegaDrop on Binance, and it is going to be taking place in 10 days. Okay, so you can see Binance posted it, and we can participate in it. Okay, so I'm going to be using just $16 to participate in this MegaDrop. Okay, and gas fee is $2. Okay, you can withdraw your money right after the 10 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so we need some funds in our Binance exchange. Okay, we need some funds in our Binance exchange. I have 16 USDT inside my Binance exchange. Okay, so what we do after this, switch to Web3 wallets in your Binance. Okay, when you switch your Web3 wallet in your Binance, you can see the Solv protocol MegaDrop is now open. Click on Join Now. Okay, so here there are two ways we can earn rewards. We can log BNB, or we can complete the Web3 quest to earn the rewards. Okay, and they're going to be giving 588 million Solv tokens. Okay, so I'll be participating in the Web3 quests. So we just click on Start Quest. But before you start a quest, make sure you have deposited some money inside your Binance Web3 wallets. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so switch to your Web3 wallets. After switching to your Web3 wallet, click on Receive. Let's receive token from Binance Exchange. Okay, you see we have USDC. Click on it. And you have to deposit on the BNB Smart Chain. Okay, deposit on BNB Smart Chain. Click on Continue. Okay, confirm. I want to send everything. Click on Withdraw. Okay, confirm. Okay, let's wait for the withdrawal to process. Okay, so we just received our funds into our Binance Web3 wallet. After receiving your funds, click on Trade. Okay, so you want to swap your USDC into BTCB. Okay, that's what we are going to be using to state on the Solv protocol. Okay, so let's search for BTCB. Okay, so this is the first one, not the second one. Okay, make sure it's BTCB token. Okay, so let's swap everything we have into BTCB. Okay, click on Approve USDC. Let's confirm the transaction. Okay. Okay, so after swapping your funds, head over to the Binance Web3 wallet webpage, and you're going to see exclusive airdrops. Right under the exclusive airdrops, you can see Solv protocol MegaDrop is now open. Let's click on Join Up. Okay, so we can log BNB, or we can participate in the Solv protocol quests. Okay, so let's start the quests. Okay, click on Start Now. Okay, so when you get on the websites, let's go ahead and deposit our funds into the Solv protocol websites. Click on Deposits. Okay, confirm. Okay, so we just deposited our funds into the Binance Web3 wallets MegaDrop. Okay, let's go ahead and confirm. Okay, so after doing this task, head over to the Solv protocol quest and click Verify. Okay, so when you see this, just refresh. Okay, guys, the verification is taking forever. Okay, I think there are a lot of people trying to do it, and the team said we should give it up to some time to check again. Okay, so make sure you keep checking and keep on clicking verify. Okay, you can see I can still verify even though I have done the task. Okay, you can see this in your history. You can, let me go ahead and show you. Okay, check your history. You can see we just deposited our BTCB. Okay, but it can't verify. But the team said you should keep checking. Okay, so if you face that issue, don't worry. It's going to be verified. Just keep on returning to the quest and click verify. Okay, keep checking. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you face any issues, and make sure you join my Telegram for more updates. Thank you. Peace.